Good day everyone. Today I will discussing calculate communication for sales team. So now I am going to explain and how the output came out. So here's the problem. So the description is a company place its size team a communication based on the total sales of the month. The communication is calculated as follows: 5% for sales up to $10,000, 10% for sales between $10,000 and $20,000, and 15% for sales over 20,000. Write a VP.NET program that first asks for the number of sales employees, and then in a loop asks for the sales amount for each employees. It should calculate and display each employee's communication and total communication paid out of the company. So today I will show you the code and explain how the output came out. So let's start. Now I am using Visual Studio 2012. So this is C#. So here is the code. So as you can see, the first input of the code is using system. So the using system is needed for the line imports the system namespace, which contains basic C# functionalities. And then so the next is namespace console. App6 is the name of our compiler or code. So enter class program, and static void main string defines a class named program inside the class. There's a method named main. So muna to ang static void main, which serve as the entry point of the program. It takes an array of string args as input which are command line arguments. So the next line is int class program. So this line declares an integer variable which is kanang total commission and initialize it to 0. The variable will store the total commission paid off. Next line, which is for integer equals 1 integer. So this line starts a for loop that iterates from 1 to num employees. This loop iterates over each employees to get their sales and calculate communication, which is the problem of the code. So the next line is console write $, enter total sales of employee. In cells in console read line. So this line, guys, is inside the loop. This line prompts the user to enter the total sales of the current employee and store the input as integer value sales. So the next line is in commission sales times 10/100. So this. Assume commission rate is 10% of a sale. So this line, guys, calculates the commission of the current employee. So it assumes commission rate of 10% of sales amount. So the next line is console write line. So magprint ta diri og employee commission and commission. So output individual commission. So in this line also guys, console write line, this lines output the commission of the current employee. And the next line, total commission plus cost commission, which is kani. So these lines are the commissions of the current employee to the total commission variable and accumulating the total commission paid. So the next line is console write line, total commission paid out. So this is a output total commission paid out. So in this line also guys, after the loop, the line outputs the total commission paid out for all employees. So that's all for our code. So now we are going to start or run this code if this code is not error. So let's start. So now let's calculate commission for sales team. So the first is enter the number of sales employees. So our enter the number is 2. Then enter total sales for employees is 12,000. So our employee number 1 commission is 1,200. So another is let's enter total sales for employees. So now we are enter 25,000. So our employee to commission is 2,500 and our total commission paid off is 3,700. So that's all. Thank you for watching.